Robert from Wakanda, Washington, has a question about settings on his hot water heater.
He's got some conflicting advice. Robert writes, I saw your video that said don't turn down the water heater when on vacation. Instead, turn off the water to the house. Remember that? We've talked about that.
Yeah.
Right, exactly. Well, Bob Vila said turn the temperature. You get the reaction there? All right. Bob Vila said turn down the temperature to pilot. He says, which I did. Okay, so, and now you want our advice.
Yeah.
All right, anyway, he said, when we came back, we turned the house water back on and turned the temperature back to the B setting where it had been before, and hot water and blowing air came out of the tank too. Robert wants to know why. Well, why don't you ask Bob?
No. You probably evaporated a little water in the top of your tank, so it's going to blow a little air out of there. Not a big deal. But here's why, and you got to be careful. Things have changed since Bob Vila has been on the air. He's gone. I'm here. Okay.
Just saying.
Just saying. But if you let your tank go tepid, you grow bacteria in it, and it gets to be really nasty. You want to make sure the bacteria and everything is killed. That's why you keep it to temperature, which should be over 120 to 140 degrees. So that's just the best way to do it. Will it evaporate a little bit? Will you get a little water or air spitting when you first come home? Yeah, no big deal. That's because you turn the water off to the house, but it's not going to hurt it any. But don't turn it down because you end up getting nasty stuff in your water heater. If you were going to go away for a long time, let's say 2 months, then you could drain it and turn the whole thing off. That would be fine, but don't leave tepid, nasty water in a tank.
All right. So just remember who your buddies are right here. Okay. And send us your questions at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer them just like that, even when you talk to the other guy, and we'll post it just like these videos over here.